Hey everyone, Brett Seidel here with Lewis and Rose Interiors, and I am super excited to announce our YouTube series that we are dropping. We filmed this over this entire past year, and we are following along from start, and I mean really start, like buying the house start, all the way through a renovation of a 1980s house here in the Dallas area with homeowners Matt and Vicky. This series shows you guys everything from initial design plans to demo to construction to some of the issues that they found along the way to how much do things actually cost. Not HGTV prices, but like actual prices. And then of course, if you follow along, you know I always do big reveals at the end, and these reveals are so good. So make sure that you like, subscribe, press that little bell so that you get notified every time we drop a new episode in this series. And I can't wait for you guys to see it.